Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ilene. So I received a little happy mail from Miss Diane from Crafting with Fury, and I believe it's the exchange for the ATC card that she's holding right now, her Halloween ATC card challenge. So let's get this open. I can never open this darn thing. Oops. Who else can open this thing? Because I sure can't. Let's just cut it open. Right? There we go. And let's see who our new friend will be. Thank you, Miss Diane. This was a great idea. Whoops. And it says, cheers to you. And who is Art? Oh my God! Look at that. That is so cool. Okay, it's all upside down. Hi, my sweet Ilene. Thank you so much for joining my Halloween Fall ATC challenge. I love your ATCs, all the goodies. I'm so blessed to have you as my crafty friend. God bless, Diane. And she said, oops, I wrote on the top of the card. Girl, it doesn't matter. I still love it. Well, thank you, Diane. And look at who we got. We've got Ilene Mack. Ilene, it's time for a swap, girl. Ilene Mack is also on YouTube. If you can go check her out, I'll try to link her channel in the description box. But check out her little ATC card. It says, look into my crystal ball, and then she's got some yellow bling on the bottom and her googly eyes right in the O's. So cute. And then she just has her name on the back, and it says Ilene Mack on YouTube. So please go check her out. She is an awesome crafter. I found her also through Diane, and it's so funny because in Diane's book, her ATC book, Ilene Mack is literally right next to me, so in her book. So awesome. Thank you, ladies. Please check her out. Ilene Mack on YouTube, and Diane is Crafting with Fury also on YouTube. So thank you, ladies, for joining me. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.